Hello YouTube, I'm Jonah and this is my wife Nancy. So we bought this Ford Transit crew van to convert into a camper van. Join us in some of our van life travel adventures. And if you find my video interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. And today's adventure, we're gonna go to Tropicana Field to see the Festival of Lights called Enchant. We've still got a couple more days in Tampa, so we decided to see this indoor light show. This was about half an hour away over the old Tampa Bay and into the town of St. Petersburg. Tropicana Field entranceway. Tropicana.
I wanted to go to this place for a long time now, so we keep missing it every year.
At the Tropicana Center? The Tropicana Field is currently the home of Tampa Bay Rays baseball team and the official site of Major League Baseball.
Oh, this is video. Hold on a second.
The Tropicana Field is 1.1 million square feet and originally was called the Florida Suncoast Dome. The field opened up in 1990 and then it became the Thunderdome in 1993 and then renamed again in 1996 as Tropicana Field. It's not like the real snow we get up in Canada. Check out this epic 100-foot tall Christmas tree. If you're wondering, other places in the States also offer Enchant in Nashville, Tennessee, Sacramento, California, San Jose, California, Scottsdale, Arizona, Washington, D.C., and of course, Florida, St. Petersburg. And the little kid in me could not resist playing with the lights. And check it out, guys. With a small rental fee, you can lace up those skates and skate on real ice. And of course, walk through tiny shops of artisans and vendors. And always the little kid in me. And if you want the best view in a house, just climb up to the balcony and enjoy the view. Brother Enrique also feeling like a little kid. And after all that walking, sure builds up an appetite. Is there any other way to end the night but a nice dinner at our local China's buffet? Ooh, yummy. So if you guys enjoyed our little adventure, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.